So you're thinking of buying a new car and considering electric. But because buying a car is a major purchase, you want to make sure you will benefit from it and if an electric car is right for you. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the benefits or top reasons why you should consider an electric car. Benefit number 1, performance. How many times have you tried to overtake trucks, trailers, and long vehicles and hindi mo tinuloy? Because you know your car well, baka hindi umabot. Though medyo malayo pa yung kasalubong, di mo pa rin tinuloy. Things like that won't happen in an electric car because 100% of the torque in an electric car is available when you put your foot down. So that means the power delivery is instant. And if we're going to compare it to an internal combustion engine car, it has to reach a certain RPM before it could reach the maximum torque. I'll give you an example. Let's say the torque of the car, maximum torque of the car is 220 Newton meters at 5,500 RPM. So that means you can only reach that 220 Newton meters of torque if you have reached 5,500 RPM. So that means medyo tatapakan mo pa siya. Maghihintay ka pa ng 5,500. So medyo matinding apak na yon, guys. Just to give you an idea, yung 5,500 RPM, medyo madiin na apak na yon. So, merong delay. If you're a beginner and this is too technical for you, it just means torque plays a big role in overtaking and sa mga uphill or paakyat like going to Tagaytay or Baguio. And that also means you're probably going to win every stoplight race and abutan ka ng yellow light, I'm sure makakatawid yan. But please obey traffic laws, right? Now that we've discussed the performance benefit of an electric car, let's take a look at benefit number 2. Electric cars are easier to maintain. Yes, because